Hi Sagittarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for September the 8th to September the 11th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin or sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung hindi po kayo makaabot dun sa ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan, I wanted to know, Sagittarius, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, nakikita natin dito parang we are opening a new chapter of our romantic life. Whether it is with the same person or whether it is with another person. Something here that kind of, pang sinasabi natin dito, dahil nanindigan ako, ipinaglaban ko, either ang pag-ibig na to, ang sarili ko, with the standing your ground here, parang nakakakita tayo ng isang pag-asa, pagsibol ng bagong experience, no? For a few numbers of you, hahapyawan ko lang to, no? For those who are looking, for a new member of a family, no? I feel like magtatagumpay na, ang inyong mga attempts. So, I can see that very, very soon, you might gonna get pregnant, no? And for those naman na hindi pa masyadong ready, edi mag-protection, no? Hinapiwan lang natin yan. It actually, kumbaga, ang lakas ng energy niya na kailangan sabihin. Magandang experience. The love is parang magsisimula na. Doon sa mga nakikipaglaban, no, or pinaglalaban itong relasyon na ito, I can see that someday, sooner, or very soon actually, I am seeing harmonious connection, no, embracing, no, between the foes. So, pagtanggap, pag-embrace, no, doon sa inyong ipinaglalaban. With the Page of Swords and the Six of Swords, I feel like matagal na dapat nangyari ito. This is a signing of a contract. The agreement between two energies. It could be you and your person against someone, yung small group of people, or you and your person, no? I think that what happened was, siguro close-minded, no? Yung kabilang kampo. But either way, nakakakita naman talaga ako ng parang pag-iisang dibdib, parang there's two forces in here, let's say black and white, no, merging together. Ang ganda kasi parang it balance everything out, no, the good, the bad, balancing things. Parang yung contrast mawawala, magkakaroon ng isang tone na sabihin natin hindi much of the dark and the light, no? With the Ace of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune, for those of you na medyo naghahanap po, no, ng pagkakakitaan, bakit ang dami nyong Sagittarius, ang daming gustong mangyari sa inyong buhay. It felt like you are all over the place. Probably things piled up in the past weeks or months. So, Sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho or business or pagkakakitaan, I am actually seeing this is about to happen. Hindi lang siya yung napakaliit, no? Or hindi lang siya panimula. I think that this is going to last for a very long time. This is a whirlpool of abundance. So, I feel like medyo malaki-laking abundance ito. Whether it is money, again, abundance may differ, no, from every individual. Yung iba, tinuturing na abundance is peace of mind. Well, actually, that's really abundant, no? Na magkaroon ka lang ng peace of mind. Parang, anihin mo nga naman yung madaming pera kung wala ka namang peace of mind, no? Um, Actually, that's one of those issues na nararamdaman ng maraming pera, no? Hindi makagala ng freely, no? Um, they really gotta have to pay the price. But either way, no, parang ang nakikita natin dito or yung love na pwedeng i-offer ni person. So what I am seeing in here is that what you are going to receive with the Six of Wands and the Emperor. I feel like there is some sort of power na parang ibibigay sa'yo na parang, uy, deserve ko pala talaga ito. No, deserve ko pala talaga ma-experience, kumbaga ma-embrace. There is actually a lot of things for you and probably your person, no? Eto na ba ang panimula ng mga bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo? I believe that you are also surpassing all the challenges with the Nine of Wands in here. The Queen of Pentacles. Ang taba-taba ng pitaka. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, okay na din mukhang pera, no? Okay na din walang love life basta may pera. Well, that makes sense. Count me in, no? Hindi lang kayo mukhang pera, pati ako mukhang pera. The Queen of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles. You know what? It should be a love reading. Well, we can actually relate this to a love reading, no? But ang nangingibabaw dito, as you can see, the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. So I believe that this week is very abundant for you moving forward. And again, with the Wheel of Fortune in here, isa siyang mahabang, kumbaga hindi lang siya one day millionaire, no? Mapapakinabangan niyo to even sa pag-i-invest, no? But either way, when it comes to romance, what I am seeing in here is ito na yung mga pwede nating inaantay, wini-wish, prenay, sinuggest, dinemand, things are going to happen. Hindi ko mawari or hindi ko ma-explain kasi yung word na blessing is even yung pag-aanak, di ba? For those who are waiting for a new child or a new member of their family, hindi ko alam kung hindi blessing ang tawag dito, ano pa, no? I think that you are so blessed, Sagittarius. Parang gusto ko tuloy maging Sagittarius. Actually, wala naman akong ganyan sa placement ng aking chart. But, sana all. Tingnan natin dito ang emotion ni person or emotion mo, no? Sana all na lang talaga. I think that's magandang title, no? I wish you were mine and you light up my world. So, for those of you na parang merong inaantay na tao or inaantay na experience, right? Pwedeng nandiyan na yung tao, experience na lang ang inaantay. I think maibibigay sa'yo or maibibigay mo. No, meeting satisfaction is here. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. Or it could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Capricorn, uh, pakakapwa Sagittarius din ito. May nakaligtaan ba? Did I said Leo? Did I said Virgo? Yes. So this is your reading, Saggies. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po tayo sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Saggies, kilalang kilala nyo yung sarili nyo, no? So, alam nyo kung makakatulog kayo sa yes or no na sagot. Kung hindi, dumiretso na kayo din sa description box. Meron po doon link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Unang bubungad sa inyo ang question form. No? Sa baba po nun, nandun po yung mga QR codes. So, they are labeled. Please check all the info. No? I created nandun po yung mga information na how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I created 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. Kung susumahin nyo, oo nga, discounted na yung 4 question, may libre pang isa. And if you want to book a private reading, pakihanap na lang dun sa QR code, no? Sagittarius, kung di naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede kayong sumali sa raffle. And by the way, congratulations! Meron na naman tayong napasara na peking account. So, konting-konti na lang. Report those fake accounts, screenshot the report, yung report ninyo, and send it to the designated email. Bubunot tayo ng winner, no? For a free reading. Kung hinahanap nyo po yung ibang readings dito, especially for those readings na yung topic is yung mga ex nila, no? Nasa Facebook po siya. Kung di nyo naman mahanap yung Facebook, bumalik kayo dun sa form. Meron po doon mga icons or logo ng mga social media. Click nyo yung Facebook. Kung Facebook, mas maganda kung i-follow nyo lahat. Diretso na kayo dun sa page. This is your reading, Saggies. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.